God told Noah, go out of your ark, you, your wife, your sons, and your sons' wives with you. Bring out with you every living thing of all flesh, lahat ng kasama nila, birds, animals, creeping things, and the creeps on the earth, that they may breed abundantly on the earth. So here is God's commandment to them. Be fruitful and multiply. Diba? When God created the animals and Adam in the beginning, that's what He also commanded them, diba? Be fruitful and multiply. Now He is saying this again because sila na lang yung natitira. So they have to be fruitful and multiply. So para dumami sila, right? Okay, so what did Noah do after he went out? Verse 20. Yes, build an altar to the Lord. Why did he build an altar? To give thanks, no? To worship the Lord. Okay, and what did he offer? Burnt offerings, no? Burnt offerings. And the Lord smelled the aroma. And did God like it? Yes. No? Nagustuhan ni God. Okay? Ano sabi ni God?
Never again.
I will never again destroy every living thing by you will
flood.
never destroy the earth by
By water.
by water, by flood. Okay? So that is God's promise, no? That He will not destroy the earth again by flood. Okay. You know, in our lessons, we also... Now, do you have any questions about the flood?